Hello guys, I hope you all are having a great day. My name is Amaros and today we will be looking at the best gaming keyboards under $50. So these keyboards will be rated out of 5 and I will tell you about all the pros and cons related to them, and all the links to buy them will be in the description. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first keyboard coming on our list is the RK300 by Rii. It comes for about $15 and has a backlighting design with grip keys, so you do not lose your grips while playing games and editing and other stuff. It also has a really durable build and has an ultra low profile, and it is suitable for multimedia functions as it provides you additional buttons for music, videos and brightness. Overall, I would give it about 3.5 out of 5 cause it loses some things. Firstly, it only has 7 RGB colors which are set in a pulse stream, and there is no program or controls to change it. Secondly, you can only turn on or off the RGB colors by pressing the keys on the keyboard, and you cannot change the pulse stream or jitter and other things like the effects of the colors, so it limits you for your gaming purposes. And the last thing is that the armrests are too small. They are enough for small hands, but the person which has big hands, he cannot use it really well and would be disappointed. So my final rating is 3.5 out of 5. So the next keyboard coming on our list is the keyboard from RK. This keyboard functions as both a USB wired keyboard and a Bluetooth keyboard, and has Bluetooth 3.0 connectivity, and it can be charged and has a 800 mAh power battery. And the best thing about this keyboard is that it is backlit and has a really small and compact design, so it can be carried anywhere and also serves as a water resistant keyboard. It also has 4 brightness levels available. The RGB colors cannot be changed, but the brightness can, which is high, medium, low and very low contrasts or color. So you can lower down the backlit, and if you are in daylight you can also turn it off. It has mechanical keys and also come with blue switches, and every key is pressable about 50 million times I meant to say. Only pros of this keyboard is that this does not suit a really professional gamer, as it does not has an extra numpad. The RGB color is set to gold and has only one variant, and also that there are no armrests. So if you are looking for long gaming sessions, you should not buy this, as it can hurt your arms if you play for about 8 to 10 hours. So overall, I would give this keyboard a 3 out of 5. So the third keyboard coming on our list is the Crosair K55 gaming keyboard, which has a backlit design, a really good and durable build, unlike the other keyboards which had a really good build but not as good as this one. The RGB lights can change. It has an included wrist pad for just $48, which is a really good deal and without any discounts. So if you want to wait for discounts, maybe it could drop to $30 or maybe even to $20, and you can buy it then, as it will provide you a really good deal. It also has mechanical switches, and you can also swap out them with the blue switches. Best part about this keyboard is that it has 6 to 7 programmable keys, which can be really helpful for multitasking and when you are editing videos to make some shortcuts for the things that you commonly do. So this provides as a very good keyboard for multi-purpose functions like gaming, editing and office work, and it won't disappoint you. And the backlit is really good, and it can be lowered or hide down, and there are about 160 million colors, so you can choose from them. And the cons about this keyboard is that it has a really large design, which does not really matter, but some people get annoyed of that large keyboard. But without that, it gets a 5 out of 5 from me, as it serves all the purposes that I need. So the next keyboard coming on our list is the Rii RK K55 Kumara backlit gaming keyboard. It is the only keyboard on this list which has a full metal build, and it is really portable and you can carry it anywhere. Although it is not Bluetooth, it is wired, but it also serves the function of portability. Other than that, it has custom mechanical switches which are equivalent to cherry blue switches, and it has about 10 to 12 multimedia keys which can be programmed separately. The also good thing about this is that it has different RGB lighting which can be controlled, increased or decreased, and they have about 16.8 million RGB colors, which is really great. Also another great thing about it is it comes without a wrist pad, but you do not get tired of putting your wrists on the table because the height of the keys and the keyboard. It also has some multimedia functions and buttons. The only downside to this keyboard is that it does not have a numpad on the right side, so because of that I would give it a 4.5 out of 5. final keyboard coming on our list is a keyboard from TOMOKO. This keyboard is really good. The only downside to this keyboard is that it does not have any backlit features and does not come with a number pad. But don't forget to listen the pros. It is a really good keyboard as this is the most sturdiest and the best keyboard out of all the keyboards. No matter that it has a plastic build, but it serves like a metal build. And also the good thing about is it comes with standard cherry blue switches which provide tactile feedback and also have audible click sounds and have a rhythmic sounds also. And it would be a really good keyboard for portable gamers which do casual gaming, not for really competitive gamers but only for casual gamers, as it provides a lot of stuff. And the only other thing about this keyboard is that unlike the other keyboards, it does not have any unprogrammable keys, but using the F9 or you can say the FN button, you can change the music sounds, fast forward, back, change the volume, change the brightness just by using the FN button. But it is a good keyboard for gamers, and because of that I would give it a 4 out of 5 as it is a really good keyboard, and I would also recommend it as I do not really like the RGB lighting. So this rounds up today's video, guys. I hope you had a great time watching the video. The best keyboard on this list was the Crosair K55, as we all know that it served the best purpose for gaming, multitasking, office work and editing. And the worst keyboard on the list was the RK keyboard, which was really dull, didn't have custom RGB lighting, and also had a really poor build and was not that good for multimedia purposes. So this rounds up today's video, guys. I hope you had a great time watching the video. If you really loved the video, please be sure to subscribe, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, guys. My name is Amaros and I'm signing.